Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Guess what we're doing today? Today we are organizing our spices. So if you have been wanting to organize your spices but you don't know where to start, hopefully this video will help you. So what I purchased to get this organization done is these 12 spice jars. And these did come from Bed Bath & Beyond. Being video bombed by my doggy. So these came from Bed Bath & Beyond, but I'm going to put the Amazon link down below because they're easier to get from, because they're only online only. So you might as well just get it from Amazon because they have 2-day shipping. So these are the jars, and these are the glass jars. I also have had some of these older jars. Well, this is a brand new jar, but I had some older ones like this, so I washed them out and I've got them clean and ready to use these as well. And I think I've got one more in the dishwasher. Yeah, I've got 2 chops and only 1 bottle, so the rest are still in the dishwasher for these jars. And then I had 2 of these little jars as well, so I'm going to utilize all of these. But the main ones that you guys are looking for today are these ones. And to label them, I bought this pack of 100 labels, and it has all of the spices that I'm going to be using today. So it has 60 spice labels, 20 pantry labels, 12 shop or hobby labels, and 8 blank labels. So I will put the link for this as well. So for those of you guys who don't have a Cricut, or how's it pronounced, Cricut machine? I don't know how you pronounce it. These are a great alternative. Okay, so I'm also going to be using some funnels. I thought I had some smaller ones, but I can't find it, so these will have to do for today. So let's get started. Let's do the first one. These have already been washed. And so let's go with ground clove. So sometimes you have some spices that you end up buying multiples of. Like I have multiple marjoram bags. I've got multiple ground ginger bags because they're just sitting in these bags. I don't know that I have them. I need them for a recipe, and I just don't know that I have them. So doing this, I'll be able to find my spices a little bit better. And these are my non-typical everyday spices. These are my use every once in a blue moon type spices. So these won't be in the main area. These will be on the side section so that I know if I'm looking for something unique or exotic, whatever you want to call it. Not your typical onion powder, garlic powder, seasoning salt kind of thing. They will be in these jars. So that is now the ground clove. And as you see, I printed out labels and just wrapped it. It's ghetto looking. So let's get this adult style this year. So let's find the ground clove sticker. There we go. So we have cloves. And you just peel it, I believe. Yep, and boom. Stick it. Oh gosh. That did not work right. That didn't come out good. That's too dark for these labels. So, let's see. It is more, it comes out better. You're able to see it a little bit better on the silver tops. But because this is black ink and a black jar, we cannot see. But I have a hack. I'll be right back. Just thinking on the fly, guys. It's ingenuity. All right, so let's see what this will do. I've got some gold foil labels, and they are 1 5/8 inch round. So let's see how this will look if I put this on the bottom. Oh, that fits perfectly. And then let's put the label for the cloves on there. Oh, there we go. Boom. It's not the best at being able to see it, but it's perfect enough for me because hubby will not be playing with these spices, I'm sure. He uses the regular ones, and he likes some of the green, leaf spices like rosemary, parsley, thyme, those kind of things. So he'll have his jars with the bigger, easier to read, but I'll have mine with a peace of mind of organization right here. All right, so that was some working on the fly, but I like it. So, all right, I'm gonna finish up these. I won't bore you guys with filling these containers up one by one, and I'll come back to show you the finished project on all of them. All right, so this has been one of those projects that I have been putting off for the longest time. It has been on my to-do list forever. It is finally done. It is not perfect. I don't love it 100%, but for now it is done and it looks great. And let's show you guys. This is the finished product. So I used all 12 of the Kamenstein spice utility jars, and then I used 4 of some recycled jars that I've been using, and I didn't use the other ones yet, but I will. I'm going to stack it on a 3-tier tray like this, or either stand it up directly in a drawer. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do yet, but these are some of my lesser known spices. Not lesser known, but lesser used spices in my collection. And so I've kind of put them in alpha order. It's allspice, anise seed, basil, cayenne, celery seed, and Chinese 5-spice. These are cloves, coriander, marjoram, ground nutmeg, and oregano and thyme. So, and then on the top shelf, we've got ginger, cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, and cumin. So this is the finished product for now. Like I said, I'm not 100% happy with it. I would have liked for the font to be bigger on these labels and to be more pronounced. So like I said, I will put the links down below to everything that I used, but for the labels, you may actually want to find someone on Etsy that will do some bigger sizes, or if you have some custom label names that you need, or if you have a Cricut, I don't know how you pronounce that, you can use that as well. So to wrap it up one more time, I'm gonna show you guys what I use. So these are the jars, and this does come from Bed Bath & Beyond. But if you go into the store, they only sell them like individually. So if you want them, the 12-pack, you have to order it online. And if you order it online, you have to do it on Bed Bath & Beyond. Might as well do it on Amazon and get it for 2 days. These are the gold labels that I used, and I'll put the link to those. And I will also put the link to these labels that I used as well. So if you just want to get everything on Amazon ordered today, this can do it. Oh, and I'm also going to get a new tier because I'm actually using this one for my most popular spices. So I will be putting a new tier, 3-tier tray for these spices. So this will conclude this video. I hope you guys like my spice organization. Leave me your comments and thoughts down below. What did you do when you made your spice organization for your house? Leave me some comments down below. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you like the content that I'm providing, I ask that you please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get my number of subscribers up. So if you could check that out, I would love it. Also, check out the rest of my home organization series. I'm trying to get my house together, and I'll be putting up little videos as I get things done. Brick by brick, bit by bit. That's how things get built. Can't be built in one day, just like Rome. So I hope you guys love this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Love ya.